Hello everyone, today we are going to solve the advanced mathematics portion of the NSAA 2016 paper. Now this section could be treated as a proxy for the M2 paper in ESAT. I have had a couple of requests for this, so let us solve the questions. The first problem says when x is equal to 2 is substituted in the expression x cube plus px square plus qx plus p square, the result is 0. Okay, so that means 8 plus 4p plus 2q plus p square is equal to 0. Note this, when x equal to 1 is substituted into the same expression, the result is minus 3.5. Okay, then 1 plus p plus q plus p square is equal to minus 3.5. We can figure out q from there. Why am I not cancelling the square terms? That is because there are a few quadratic options in a and d. So I would rather make p a quadratic and check for its solution than cancel p square outright. So q becomes minus 3.5 minus 1 minus p square. Now this is basically minus 4.5 minus p square. Replace that there. What are we going to get? We will get 8 plus 4p plus p square minus 9 minus 2p minus 2p square equal to 0. What do we obtain from here? We obtain minus p square plus 2p minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is basically p minus 1 whole square is equal to 0, which means p is equal to 1. Option C. Alright, moving on to the next problem. Of course, I'll not be able to help you with the physics problem. I'm a maths teacher. Question 75. A square PQRS is drawn above the x-axis with the side PQ on the x-axis. Okay, P is the point minus 5, 0. So let us draw a rough square. Pardon my drawing skills. So this is minus 5, 0. And this is 1, 0. Straight away we note that this distance is 6 units. Okay, since this is a square, that means all sides should be 6 units. That means this coordinate should be 1, 6 because it is 6 units above in the y-axis, and this should be minus 5, 6. This line will be minus 5 plus 1 by 2, which is the x equal to 2 line. And this line should be the 0 plus 6 by 2, which is the y equal to 3 line. Apologies, this was x equal to minus 2, right? Because minus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0 is minus 2. So that means the center becomes minus 2, 3. Now you have the center and you have the radius. So all that remains is to simplify the equation of the circle. X plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square. So this becomes x square plus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 9. You cancel these and you end up with x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 4 minus 6 plus 4. Plus 4 minus 6 plus 4. Option C is correct. Okay. There was no need for any other geometry. Just a little bit of midpoint theorem and the properties of squares would have been enough. Moving on. The first term of a convergent geometric series is 8. Okay. A is equal to 8. Fifth term is 2. A r to the power 4 is 2. That means r to the power 4 is 2 by a, 2 by 8, 1 by 4. R square will be equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. No, r square is always positive, right? So r square will be 1 by 2 and r will be plus minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Sixth term is real and positive. Sixth term is a r to the power 5. This is real and positive. So this should be 8 times plus minus 1 by root 2 to the power 5. Okay, this is an odd power. So that means here the negative term is not taken. We will just have r is equal to 1 by root 2. What is the sum to infinity? Sum to infinity is a by 1 minus r. Formula is given. Do not depend on the question paper to give you the formula. Just remember this. So you will get 8 by 1 minus 1 by root 2. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 2. You will get 8 root 2 divided by root 2 minus 1. If you rationalize, you will get 8 root 2 times root 2 plus 1. Divided by 2 minus 1. So if I multiply root 2 inside, I'll get 8 times 2 plus root 2. See. Okay, very easy problem. The hint was in this sixth term. Last problem for this video. Tangents are drawn from a point P to a circle of radius 10 cm. The center of the circle is C and the distance PC is 20 cm. Okay, that means we'll have to construct all of the portions. Join this. Join that. Join this. Give these a name, AB. Now tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact, so this is 90. That is 90. We are given PC is 20. So this thing is 20 and the radius is 10. So this is 10. We can figure out this angle theta. How? Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So it will be AC by PC. So 10 by 20, half. That means theta is equal to 60 degree. Why did I need theta? Because I want to find AP. You can either use Pythagoras theorem or tan theta, doesn't matter. Let's use tan theta. So tan 60 is root 3. That is equal to AP by 10. So AP is equal to 10 root 3. Now what is the area of triangle APC? Basically I noticed that ACBP is a kite. So I'll calculate the area of triangle APC and multiply it by 2. Area of triangle APC is given as half into base into height. Now for the total area I have to multiply it by 2 anyway. So area ACBP, this is equal to 10 into 10 root 3, 100 root 3. Of course, centimeter square. Now I need to figure out the area of the sector ACB and subtract it from the kite. I'll get the area of the shaded region. So area sector ACB. So if this half angle is 60, then this total angle will be 120 because this portion is 60 as well. The longer diagonal divides the kite into two congruent triangles. So 120 means 1/3 of 360. That means it is area of the circle into 1 by 3. This is 120 degree divided by 360 degree into pi 10 square. So this is 100 pi by 3. All that remains is to subtract. So the total area of the kite was 100 root 3. So we'll have to do 100 root 3 minus 100 pi by 3. Now you see that 100 root 3 or 50 root 3 is common in all of the options. So how can I take that out? I will multiply this one by 3 and divide by 3. I'll write 100 into 3 root 3 divided by 3 minus 100 pi by 3. Now if I take 100 by 3 common, I'll get 3 root 3 minus pi. Option A. I hope you were able to solve along with these questions. Remember, you will get around 90 seconds to solve each question. So please practice quite a lot. If you need more help, do consult my ESAT M2 book, the link for which you can find in the description. With that being said, I'll end this video here. Thank you for joining.